Hello guys, it's Natalia here, and today I have a gem of a product with me. It's called the Aspire Vero, and it's the first in its kind in Acer's eco-friendly line of products. So usually I cut straight to talking about the device, but this time I want to start with a short unboxing as the laptop won a Red Dot Award for its green packaging, so let's open her up. Ta-da! Now it's time to take a look at the laptop itself, and each Aspire Vero is unique because the pattern of the dots you see on the chassis here will be different. Here at the bottom you'll see PCR, which stands for post-consumer recycled, and this means it comes from a material that someone was using before, but not necessarily a laptop. In the Aspire Vero case, 30% of the chassis and 50% of the keycaps comes from recycled material, which is really great because it reduces the amount of raw material needed. Here on the keyboard, you'll see the letters R and E are reversed, and that's to draw further attention to the 3 R's, which is the main message: reduce, reuse, and recycle. And it's kind of a fun way to highlight the important message of trying to reverse the damage to the environment. Speaking of which, the last two features I want to mention are, as you see on the bottom here, the laptop has standardized screws. This is to make disassembling easier, to encourage any repairs, upgrades, or recycling of old parts you might need to do. So even someone with only basic experience could replace the key components, which is great. This means at the end of the laptop's natural lifespan, instead of just throwing it away, you'll find it easy to upgrade parts or repair them, meaning less waste going to the landfill. That's got to be a good thing. The chassis also is completely paint-free, and almost every component on it can be easily recycled, further adding to its environmentally friendly message. And the Aspire Vero is made future-proof with its specifications. We have 11th Gen Intel Core i7, we have 16GB of RAM, and Intel Iris Xe graphics. Now, that would be a lot in a regular laptop, but it's even more impressive given the Vero's green credentials. We have a fingerprint scanner, we have Wi-Fi 6, USB Type-C, and Type-A ports, one of which supports charging other devices even when the laptop is off. The 15.6-inch display has full HD resolution and an IPS screen, which means great viewing angles. It's also one of the very first laptops that comes preloaded with Windows 11 from Acer. And speaking of software, you can find a neat program called VeroSense. Now, this is going to let you choose the power level and energy efficiency of the laptop. So from performance, which will give you full power, to Eco and Eco Plus, which will improve the power efficiency and battery life, giving you up to 12.5 hours on one battery charge. So as well as the Vero, Acer has recently announced more additions to the eco-friendly lineup. So this is definitely not the last time we're going to be talking about green products, as they do play a key role in our future. Oh, and I've saved the best for last. The prices of the Aspire Vero are no higher than any of the other laptops from the Aspire family, so saving the world doesn't have to cost the earth. And the Vero doesn't just talk about being sustainable, it actually puts it into action. If you purchase one of the laptops and register it on the Acer link that I'm going to leave in the description, together with ecologi.com, Acer will plant 100 trees in your name. 100! That's crazy, that's basically a whole forest. But not only will you have a whole army of trees in your name, Acer will also give second life to your old device. How this works is, together with Computers for Charity, they can pick up your old laptop, clean it and repair it even, and then donate it to a UK-based charity, which is really nice. Spending money has never felt so good. I'll leave all the links for you to check out in the description below. So let me know what you think about the Vero and Acer's approach to eco-friendly products. I'll see you next time. Bye guys.